Pico Emerald was specially designed for the need of CARS microscopy. CARS microscopy stands for Coherent Anti-Stokes Raman microscopy, which is a kind of microscopy where you don't need any labels. You're using intrinsic chemical labels such as vibrational bonds within the molecules. So there's no need for extra labeling such as putting in dyes, fluorescent proteins, etc. The light source you need for CARS microscopy needs two different colors, picosecond pulses, high repetition rates. The energy difference between these two colors needs to be tunable according to the vibrational band. They have to be overlapped perfectly in space and time. Synchronously pumped OPOs have been proven to be a very reliable pump source. But there used to be a pump laser box, a synchronously pumped OPO box, then having all the optics on the table for doing the spatial and temporal overlap. So it always required physicists or chemists to take care of these systems. But only when a biologist or medical people can work with these kind of microscopy, only then it really becomes interesting. Then you really can start looking into, live cells, looking into, drug distribution and so on. So our goal was to integrate the pump source and the synchronously pumped OPO, doing all the beam combination, spatial temporal overlap, making a real, truly hands-free system which is easy to use, purely computer controlled, so that basically everyone who can use a microscope can use this kind of microscopy. The Pico Emerald is a predecessor in a sense of a pump laser and a separate OPO. The pump laser was produced by HiQ Laser and the separate OPO by APE. Now, what we now did is join forces. HiQ did develop a new mode-locked, very robust pump laser, generating 10 watts of infrared, converting that into 5 watts of green, 6 picosecond, 80 megahertz pulses, which is driving the synchronously pumped OPO, which now shrunk in size, and also APE did take over the OPO part, doing all the analytical parts, the sensors for spatial overlap, time overlap, giving you the computer interface to make this an easy-to-use tool.